said 70s. Great, Sujan. So, the easiest way to gym, right? This is what we mentioned under 300 fitness.
Yeah.
So, can you explain the logic behind the easiest way to gym? Kya hai? What is this easiest way to gym?
When we are thinking about the name like 300 Fitness, and we were doing some research how we can able to make our structure and the gym better than the others. So we found out कि लोगों को ना बहुत दिक्कत होती है gyms में जाते हैं तो पता नहीं, they feel lost in the gym. कई लोग वर्कआउट कार्ड भी नहीं मिलते, कभी बार मिलते हैं तो उनको गाइडेंस प्रॉपर नहीं मिलती, पोस्टर सही नहीं है. सो वी बेसिकली वी डिजाइन इन सच अ वे where this become easier. So, for example, like we have 9 parameters here.
Okay.
Which, if anybody joins here, so they have to go through all the 9 parameters, and then only we provide the workout card, and it's gonna be easy for then person to handle and to go with that. So, for example, it's first we have a health assessments. In the health assessment, we counsel the person. We understand like what kind of lifestyle the person is following, what is the current status, and what is the past status. So when we know the past and the present, then only obviously we can design a future. Then there is a fitness assessment test there. Then there is a health assessment. Then there is a BCA, body composition analysis. So body composition analysis, it happens on a machine. Machine gives us a rating like muscles kitna hai, fat kitna hai, BMR kitna hai, visceral fat kitna hai, subcutaneous fat kitna hai. So all those parameters we get.
I think there are 9 parameters in BCA, right? BCA के अंदर भी करीब 9 के आसपास पैरामीटर्स हैं.
भी काफी
उसमें भी हाँ पैरामीटर्स हैं.
But इसमें क्या है? Why we push people to go for a BCA, even though if somebody says I'm gonna do the self workout, I don't want. Still, we ask that a person to do the BCA, because what happens is in general, like what people does is they simple हो जाते हैं, weight scale पे देखते हैं weight कितना है, ज़्यादा है तो बुरा है, कम है तो अच्छा है. बट वो ये नहीं देखते कि उसका कॉम्पोजिशन क्या है, फैट कितना है, मसल कितना है. बीसीए में बता देता है कि आपका फैट परसेंटेज इतना है, मसल परसेंटेज इतना है. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी का फैट परसेंटेज रेट से कम नहीं हुआ, मसल बढ़ा, still it's a good number, right? Because you're achieving something. And अगर किसी का फैट परसेंटेज कम हुआ और मसल बढ़ा, obviously weighing scale तो सेम ही दिखाएगा.
हाँ सेम दिखाएगा. करेक्ट.
उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं आएगा. But the point is that's a good composition.
हाँ because composition change हो रही है.
Yeah,
करेक्ट.
exactly.
Correct.
So that is the purpose behind it. And then we have a PT sessions. PT sessions basically इसलिए ताकि हम देख पाए कि जो भी इंडिविजुअल हमारे पास ट्रेनिंग करने आया उसका फिटनेस लेवल एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ और हर गोल्स वो है कि नहीं है. अगर नहीं है तो हमें क्या क्या उसके कस्टमाइजेशन चाहिए या क्या किस तरीके से हमें उनको पुश करना है और समथिंग लाइक दैट. देन देयर इज अ वर्कआउट कार्ड. देन वी कस्टमाइज द वर्कआउट कार्ड स्पेसिफिकली जो भी उनकी नीड्स है अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, अकॉर्डिंग टू द गोल्स. एंड देन देयर इज अ न्यूट्रिशन गाइडेंस एंड न्यूट्रिशन plans also where we will give and provide to the customer so they can able to follow with the help of, obviously if there is any problem behind it, then they can obviously reach out to us anytime if they have any doubt or something. So that's how it is.
So you're saying when somebody comes in, there is first of all a lifestyle assessment. उनका lifestyle कैसा है. Then there is health assessment. So health assessment हम कैसे करते हैं? We check their medical reports या
health assessment. This is health assessment is like this only कि हम उनका पूछते हैं कि उनका पास्ट में as in if they have any injuries or medical reasons और कुछ है उनका. अगर if there is a medical condition, so we need a reports and everything. डॉक्टर्स का सजेशन क्या था और क्या था वो सब कुछ हम इवेलुएट करते हैं. एंड किसी को होता है तो हम देखते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं जिनके बैक इश्यूज है. Nowadays it is very common because in corporate lifestyle if they have a prolonged sittings, right? Prolonged sitting में वो issues है कि उनके muscles inactive होते हैं and then they have a prolonged sitting so they have a back issues. So we counter all these. So we have faced many times some people have knee issues, back issues, cervical issues, shoulder issues. So these are the very common.
So lifestyle assessment, health assessment. Then you said understanding the fitness goals, right? क्योंकि हर बंदे का fitness goal अलग हो सकता है. कोई बॉडी बिल्डिंग के लिए आ सकता है, कोई सिर्फ एजिलिटी के लिए आ सकता है. So fitness goals हो गए. Then you also said BCA, right? And then you mentioned the fifth point you mentioned was providing personal training,
right?
So personal training is given to all, or this is just 1 or 2 sessions to figure out कि व्यक्ति की इस समय मतलब उनकी फिटनेस लेवल कहाँ पे है.
So basically PT sessions to given to all, but only for up to 2 sessions.
Up to 2 sessions,
just to understand, because PT is a quite separate different business term, so वो trainers पे depend करता है. But we provide 2 PT sessions complimentary to understand where a person is standing.
And likewise, you also mentioned about the diet chart or the nutrition guidance, right?
Yeah.
So I'm sure diet chart, nutrition guidance is something which I'm sure we give to everyone.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. That we cover in this.
And ultimately is a workout card.
Yes.
Okay. And is there a fitness review also that comes?
Yeah, so basically, that's a very wonderful point which you have picked up. So every 4 weeks or every 4 to 5 weeks, we have a fitness evaluation. So हम ये जितने भी assessments हैं, हम हर 4 हफ्ते बाद repeat करते हैं. Okay, so 4 हफ्ते बाद repeat करने का purpose यही है ताकि हमें पता चल सके कि differences कितने आए हैं. Whether we are on a right track or we have lost our track or something like that. Correct. So we understood कि गलती कहाँ पे है या अगर अच्छा हो गया तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. And then obviously the plan has to be changed after 4 to 5 weeks, because change is always good in terms of when you're getting some results, and so that a person would not reach to plateau mode. So that's why we have this policy.
So Sarjan, थोड़ा ये बताइए कि in the fitness review, the monthly fitness review, what is it that you conduct?
So monthly fitness reviews में we have a fitness assessment,
Okay,
BC again,
okay,
and again
the upper body strength and the lower body strength. So just it's a 5 up. You told me before we start for this round, you had mentioned there are 5 rounds, right? एक जो upper body आप test करते हो, I think push-ups वगैरह.
Fitness assessment में we have 5 parameters, where one parameter is your upper body strength and the lower body strength, then the core strength, okay, then the flexibility comes in, and
Balance.
and balance, you can say one of that. That is covers because in flexibility as well as mobility.
Correct.
That's how it covers.
Got it.